Today I'm going to be reviewing the RØDE PSA1 Plus. Now they have another one, the PSA. It's more of a scissor type arm. This thing is amazing. I had like a scissor arm for my USB. It sucked. And this part here never worked. Now you can see I do have the pod mic, the RØDE pod mic. This thing is silent. It moves so nicely. You hear a little bit probably there, but I mean, it is truly a good movement. Now I have this installed into the desk. So it just comes with a clamp. It's like this, you kind of unscrew it. You put the arm in, you unscrew the bottom on, and it's more for a unit that you're going to leave at your desk. Then they have a quick release here, and I'll have a picture that you'll be able to see. That is just a regular desk clamp, and you can take it off easier. But I decided to just have it into the desk. Now you can adjust it however you want it. You can see, you can move it like this. Now the mic itself can go up and down, but on the arm, this piece up here, it just moves so nice. It's just unbelievable. The ability that I have to be able to move it, and it stays. And it's, you know, from what people say, it doesn't have any, you know, the mic isn't too heavy for it. It's not going to sag. I've read so many reviews out there, and I was worried about getting something that would sag, and I didn't want that. And I ended up going with the RØDE pod mic. So, and I had the RØDEcaster. So now I guess I bought into RØDE. But even some of the best mics out there, the Shure, you'll see most of the people using this RØDE arm. It is expensive, but it's not crazy expensive, and I think you're going to really like it, and it's going to pay off in the long run. What I like about this is it's got 4.7 stars. I always like to see 4.4, and it's just, I just love this thing. I don't know what to say. It's great even on stream. It looks good. It's got over 16,000 reviews, and last month in September 2025, over 1,000 of these were sold. So if you are looking for a really good arm and you do not want to have to deal with stuff, you want something that you can rely on without having to like screw things with a, you know, a wrench or something like that, this is it. I should have gone with this the first place. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.